Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here. Happy Tuesday. It is the 14th. It is about 10 a.m. and we're getting you this video here for the week ahead. A quick note, I am out of the office Sunday the 19th through Thursday the 23rd. John will be here with you. He will be doing all of the reports, all the products, all that good stuff. And if there's any sort of wintry mischief, he will be on top of that for you. So if you do receive support from us, he will be the contact here from the 19th through the 23rd. I will be back for that Friday. I will be working on Christmas Eve, and then obviously Christmas is that Saturday. So with that said, I wanted to just kind of go through the week ahead, and we still have a little wintry mix risk here Wednesday night north, changing to rain. And then we still have the Saturday event on the maps. We also have the Monday, Tuesday, probably more likely Tuesday, risk as well. Typically, again, I mentioned this yesterday, typically it's usually one or the other. I'm not going to go into, the details of the upper level pattern. I did that yesterday. So I encourage you to look at yesterday's video if you want some details on how these models are interpreting these pieces of energy. But let's kind of go through this and we'll get you on your way. So today, no issues at all. However, tonight, like I said, we're watching this piece come in, and Wednesday right now looks dry in most areas. Increasing clouds, though, by the afternoon, maybe a flurry late in the day north. But the bigger story will be in the evening and in the overnight hours. And initially, you'll look at these temperatures and you're going to say, oh my goodness, it's pretty chilly up here. 30, 32, something like that. But watch what happens from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. We're going to add 2 to 8 degrees to our temperatures overnight. So our temperatures are actually going to be rising Wednesday night. So you can imagine the other problem here is if they're rising at the surface, they're probably going to be rising aloft. And initially, again, there's enough cold between 2,500 feet and about 5,000 feet here that we're probably going to start with some snowflakes. But watch what happens. By midnight, 5,000 feet is above freezing, pretty much everywhere except for northeast New Hampshire and Maine. Same thing at 9:25. So this is going to be a situation where it's maybe starting as a brief period of snow, quickly to sleet, then to freezing rain, and then by the end of it, it's probably just plain rain. Total precip with this system looks like this. Right now, it looks like 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch of rain. Again, some of that could fall as wintry precipitation, and you'll see that here. Our snowfall amounts are not impressive. Okay. Sleet amounts a little bit more, and then freezing rain obviously is also going to be a risk. So it's just a medley of wintry stuff north, trending towards rain by the morning. And as we get into Thursday, those showers very quickly move away, and we're going to be left with a very warm day on Thursday here. Temperatures Thursday pressing into the 50s in a lot of places here. I'm actually going to pull up our blend of models for the temperatures. I'll get to that here in a second at the end of the video. But again, Thursday for the most part is a mostly cloudy day. You notice the cloud cover here. Actually, some peaks of sun at times, but it's a mostly cloudy day, maybe ending a little bit more sunny, but it's going to be a warm day. And then we turn our attention to the weekend. Saturday or Thursday night into Friday. Maybe a few showers, cold front moves through. Friday, we're going to see temperatures drop throughout the day. And that sets the stage for this Saturday system. Depending on what you look at, you get a different result. Here's one model Saturday. The European actually trended south. It's rain still south, but it's a period of snow for parts of New England. But again, you notice here temperatures aloft are pretty marginal. So we'll watch that. That's a trend in the south direction. But again, the GFS was south yesterday. It's gone north, pretty similar to what other data showed yesterday. It's mainly a wintry event north of I-90. It's rained south of there. And then our Canadian friends, pretty similar. A period of snow and wintry precip north of I-90, rain to the south. And that's a pretty good place to be for now. Now, you notice here the European ensemble has the swath of rain, or precip, let me say, along I-80 and I-90. GFS slightly further north. Now, snowfall with this system here, the GFS, I'm going to be pulling that up, and I'm going to pull up the European as well. And you'll notice the amounts here are really not all that impressive. Pardon me as my data loads. There we go. So you can see here that the Saturday event is favored to the north. both modelings, favored to the north. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, we have this Tuesday, Wednesday system. And I don't want to go too crazy because a lot of this will hedge or hinge on what happens here with the Saturday system. But you notice high pressure and control for Sunday, Monday. But then as we head into Tuesday, you got a coastal storm trying to get going off the coast, but it's strengthening as it moves away. That's one model. Now our European ensemble is, as you can see here, a little bit more focused, closer to the coast. But again, it's the same situation where this thing is strengthening as it moves away. So there is possibility here that we see a storm Tuesday, Wednesday. You can see the modeling has this coastal storm here for Tuesday, Wednesday. You look at the GFS model for the same time frame. You can see precip on the maps, but a lot still needs to be figured out here. Okay. So we will continue to watch this. Real quick, did want to touch on those temps as I promised. Temperatures today, seasonable or warmer than normal even, 30s north to 50s south. Wednesday, a little bit warmer. Thursday's by far the warmest, 50s north, 60s south. Colder Friday, but again, these highs happen early, falling throughout the day. And then Saturday is much colder. Sunday even colder still. And then you notice Monday, Tuesday, and really much of next week, much more manageable temperature-wise. This cold pattern, as we touched on yesterday, is going to start coming through as we head towards the Christmas week time frame. So that's what we got. Plenty of things to watch. And like I said, we'll be back here tomorrow with another video.